Yesterday I can explain common roots and here that quadratic equation roots between and some equation how to convert it to how to reduce quadratic form already I can explain yesterday. Lesson 1. Here small one, that is lesson 1. Find condition that one root of quadratic may be n times the other. One root of quadratic may be n times the other. Therefore, what is the meaning of this one? Here, one root is called a alpha. Listen, one root is called a alpha, another root is called n alpha. Because of one root is there n times the other. What is the meaning of this one? One root is equal to, suppose 2 will be there, another root is equal to 2 times of n. Therefore, one root alpha, what is the another root is equal to n alpha. Do you remember what is the sum of the roots formula? Anyone?
Minus b by a.
Minus b by a, very good. Here alpha plus n into alpha is equal to minus b by a. Alpha common 1 plus n is equal to minus b by a will be there. Therefore, what is the alpha value? Alpha is equal to minus b by a into 1 plus n will be there. That is called alpha. What is the product of the roots formula?
C by
C by a, very good. Here alpha into n into alpha is equal to c by a. Alpha into n into alpha is equal to c by a. Therefore, n into alpha square, you know that alpha, substitution, minus b by a into n plus 1 whole square is equal to, what is that value? C by a will be there. Therefore, simplify, that is equal to n into b square divide a square into n plus 1 whole square is equal to c by a. 1a cancel, cross multiplication, nb square is equal to ac into n plus 1 whole square. nb square is equal to ac into n plus 1 whole square. This is their result for one root is n times the other. One root will be there, n times the other. What is that result? Here nb square is equal to ac into n plus 1 whole square. This is also like a result. Suppose one root is 3 times the other. What is the condition? Anyone? One root is 3 times the other. Uh, 3b square is equal to ac into 3 plus 1. What is the 3 plus 1 value?
4.
4 square is equal to 16. Therefore,
16.
3b square is equal to 16 AC. 3b square is equal to 16 AC. Like this one, if any equation, one root is n times the other, one root is 5 times other, one root is 4 times other, what is the condition? If you remember, you can easy to identify. nb square is equal to n plus 1 whole square into AC. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, do it.
No, sir.
Just relation based on question. What is the sum of the roots and product of the roots? Using that relation, you can get that result. Completed.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Carry on.
Yes, sir.
Sir, now what is the condition?
NB square is equal to AC into n plus 1 whole square. NB square is equal to AC into n plus 1 whole square. Are you completed this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how alpha into n alpha is equals to C by A?
Therefore, one root is equal to alpha. Another root is called n alpha. What is the product of roots formula?
C by A.
C by A.
That is, I written product is equal to C by A. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir, thank you.
You can see this one. Common roots are based on, that is
Sir,
their point.
sir, only one side happened, na?
Which one?
Sir, this is second problem.
This second problem. Here listen. If the equation x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0 and x square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, have a common root. That's mean both
Even
equation having one root is the common, and the first equation has equal roots. First equation has equal root. What is the definition of equal roots?
alpha
Anyone
into
in
alpha
this?
is equals to C by A.
If discriminant is equal to 0, then the
Discriminant
roots are
equal
equal.
to 0.
Zero,
Therefore,
zero.
listen, that is equal to x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0. Having roots, here is equal to having, what is the roots are? Roots are alpha comma alpha will be there. By observation, both roots are equal, mean discriminant is equal to 0. What you get? A square minus 4b is equal to 0, implies a square is equal to 4b. A square is equal to 4b. And what are roots? Alpha and alpha. What is the sum of the roots? Alpha plus alpha. What is the formula? Minus b by
Minus b.
a.
by a.
But b in place
Minus
of
a.
a will be there. Minus a by
Minus
1 implies 2 alpha is equal to minus a. What is the alpha is equal to? Minus a by 2.
minus a by 2.
Alpha value minus a by 2. But both equation are have a common root, but first equation root alpha, that's why alpha is also root of second equation. Alpha is also root of second equation. By observation, alpha is root of x square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Alpha is root of x square plus cx plus d 0. Any equation that value is the root to mean that value substitution must be satisfied. That value substitution must be satisfied. That is alpha square plus c alpha plus d is equal to 0. What is the alpha
4b.
value? What is the
Minus a
alpha
by 2.
value?
4b.
Minus a by 2. Substitution. You can get a square by 4 plus c into minus a by 2. Next one
D
plus d is equal to 0 will be there. But here, what is the a square is equal to? What is the a square value?
4b.
4b. Substitution in place of a square. 4b by 4 minus ac by 2 plus d is equal to 0. That negative other side. 4 cancel. What is the b plus d is equal to ac by 2? What is the ac is equal to? 2 times of b plus d.
B plus D.
In objective question, what type of question can be asking? What is the 2 times of b plus d? That value is equal to ac. Do you
AC.
understand? Any
Yes.
doubt? Anyone? Anyone having doubt? No answer. Okay, do it. Just having common root will be there. How to do that one? Common root will be there. How to find out that condition or how to find out roots are there? Different process. Based on one question I can explain. Just first copy this one. Anyone having doubt is there, you can ask to me. I can explain to that question.
You can explain, sir.
Once again.
So,
Hello. Bhumatri, you have doubt is there?
yes, now only come, sir.
Okay. No problem. I can explain once again. Who are understand, just copied. Here listen. Two equation have common root and first equation has equal root. First equation has equal root and both equation has common root. What is the common root mean? Already I can explain previous class. If any root will be there satisfied first equation, also satisfied second equation, I can consider x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0. Having roots are equal. Generally, quadratic equation having two roots will be there. The two roots are equal. That's why I can take an as. That's why I can take an. Observe. Alpha comma alpha. What are the two roots? Both are equal roots I can take. Generally roots are equal. Any condition you have, one condition will be there. What is that condition? Discriminant is equal to 0. What is the discriminant formula? Do you know the discriminant formula?
B square minus 4AC.
Good. B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. I can use that one, getting that some condition will be there. A square is equal to 4B. After, here listen. Actually, what is the sum of the roots formula? Minus B by A. But B in place of A will be there. A in place of 1 is there. I can use getting that alpha value. What is the alpha value? Minus A by 2. Minus A by 2. But alpha also root of that second equation. Alpha also root of second equation. Put x in place of alpha. I can getting that this equation. But what is the alpha is equal to? Minus A by 2. You can substitute on that equation. Do you understand? Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Okay, okay.
4.
Quick. Quickly written, that continuation concept will be there, I can explain.
Sir, little zoom, sir. Tomorrow exam will be there. What are explain that questions? Those based on that questions only, it's there. This is the first exam. Be confidently written that exam is there. What are questions? Slowly read, solve one by one question. Okay, clear?
Sir, tomorrow exam.
Tomorrow is exam. Monday exam.
Sir, what the timing?
Inform the time here. That is object to examination, not
No, sir.
subject to. Only object to question. 4 options will be there. You can solve which is the correct answer. You can take. In that 4 options, if you which are you can tick that option that is correct, you got 4 marks. That is wrong, you lost 1 mark.
Sir,
That is
but
complete.
chemistry sir told. Chemistry sir told Monday exam.
I think I
Monday
don't remember actually.
exam.
Tomorrow Sunday. I forgot it. Okay. Monday is examination. Don't worry. You write properly that examination. Okay. Prepare for surds whatever explained, logarithms what are explained, and quadratic equation explained that based on
models will be there. That models you can prepare properly. Completed? Then here, okay, listen, that is there. I can explain to the before all points will be there. After some more points will be there in quadratic equation. That learn before that inequalities. How to find out that interval can be written for any inequality. Inequalities can be using that either greater than or less than. There are two symbols will be there. One is called a greater than, another one is called a less than. Here any inequality given, how to find out interval? Interval can be using that. Listen, that is, observe this one. Suppose here is there A, B. Only two values are required. Only two values. That using that curlier brackets. What is the meaning of this brackets? Only A and B will be solutions of this one. Here x is equal to, this is the meaning is there. X is equal to curlier brackets of A comma B. What is the meaning of curlier brackets? These brackets are mean only these values are happen. That's mean x is equal to A comma x is equal to B. Any doubt about this point? Anyone? Next, what is the meaning of this is their open bracket of A comma B. What is the open bracket of A comma B? For example, open bracket of 1 comma 2. What is the meaning of this one? X is equal to, that's mean belongs to symbol. X belongs to 1 to 2 open bracket. What is the meaning? 1 and 2 between all real numbers. X is equal to 1 and 2 between all real numbers. 1 and 2 between all real numbers. Therefore, what are one next? Next to 1 is there one real number. Immediately next real number is anyone? After 1 immediate real number. Anyone knows?
1.1.
No. 1.000 etc. 1. This is called a immediate real number. Therefore, what is the 2 before immediate real number? Anyone?
1.9999999.
Very good. That is 1.9999 etc. up to 9. Therefore, here is equal to listen 1. They 1 to 2 in between mean 1.000 etc. 1 to 1.999 etc. up to 9. This is the meaning of this one. What is the meaning of x belongs to closed bracket of 1 to 2? Closed bracket. Square brackets are using, that is called closed bracket. Like you can use open bracket. This brackets is called curlier brackets are there. Just listen. Here 1 to 2 will be there. Closed bracket of 1 to 2. What is the meaning of this one? Included to 1 to 2 all real numbers and 1 and 2 also included. What is the meaning? X is equal to 1, 1.00 etc. 1 etc. 1.999 etc. 9 comma 2. These all values are involving x is there. There are 3 types of brackets are there. What are the 3 types of brackets?
First curlier brackets. What is the meaning of curlier brackets? Anyone?
Only the two values.
Only the two values. What is the open brackets of this one?
Except the two values.
Except two values between all real number. Between all real number. What is the closed bracket meaning?
Including these two values.
One.
Including these two and between all real
One, sir.
numbers. Okay? Including the two between all real numbers, that is called a closed bracket. That brackets are must be learned. That is very, very, very important. Okay, clear? Understood or not? Okay, listen. Here actually you know that bracket. How to define that brackets? What is that particular equations? How to define? For example, x is there greater than or equal to 1. Okay, first equal to sign not there, that is equal to x greater than 1 only there. What is the meaning of this one? How to representation in graphically? How to representation in graphically? Listen, here is equal to number line. Number line mean real numbers line. What are real numbers? Starting is minus infinity. Ending is equal to plus infinity will be there. Plus infinity. Listen. Minus infinity to plus infinity between all real numbers are there. But what is the given here? What is that value?
1.
1. Indicated 1 in that number line. Here, some place 1 also there. Some place 1 also there. It's greater than is there or less than is there?
Greater
When
than.
greater than is there, right hand side of 1. Less than is there?
Left hand.
Left hand side of 1. Therefore, x greater than 1. What is the meaning is? When indicated on the number line. On the number line mean real number line. In real number line, here observe, greater than mean right hand side, less than mean left hand side. Simple equation. Therefore, right hand side, I can draw on that right hand side. I can draw on right hand side. Therefore, by observation this one, that is equal to right hand side will be there. Listen one. In right hand side, what is the total? This is the part will be there. This is part. This part is called here interval. How to return that interval? Here observe 1 to infinity. What is the least value?
1.
1.00001.
Therefore, first you return that 1. You cannot able to return that 1.000 something. That's why you can return that 1 only. By observation, here is equal to, that is 1 I return. Therefore, by observation, here 1 will be there. 1 and the last one infinity. Infinity mean you cannot able to find out that value. That's why always open bracket. But here equal to sign is there or not there? Equal to sign is there? Not there. When equal to sign not there, always written that number also open bracket. This is called x belongs to. Any doubt? Anyone? Anyone having doubt? Okay. And again, x greater than or equal to 2 will be there. X greater than or equal to 2. How to able to find out? Here listen. Same number line. What is that number line? Minus infinity to plus infinity. Here what is that number? 2 will be there. Indication here is equal to 2. Indication this is equal to 2 will be there. By observation this one. Here greater than is there. Right hand side. Greater than mean that is equal to right hand side. You can draw on. Right hand side I can take. Greater than mean always right hand side. Observe this one. In this one will be there. Here listen. What is that greater than 2 mean? This is the total value. This is total value. Therefore x belongs to what is that value will be there. Therefore observe this one. Beginning is the 2, ending is called infinity. But here equal to sign is there or not there? Equal to sign is there. That's why you can use square brackets. Infinity always open bracket. Do you understand? This is their very important. Coming classes again in quadratic inequalities are there, and also one of the important chapter in first year, functions, involving so many questions are there. How to return that interval. So many students make a mistake, you can return that intervals. That's why I can explain one by one small after some big one also. Listen, here is there. Suppose for example x is there less than 5 will be there. X less than 5. How to draw this one? Here is equal to listen. Therefore observe, number line I can take. Here minus infinity to plus infinity. But what is that number? What is that number? 5. Indication 5. It's less than is there or greater than is there?
Less than.
Less than is there. If less than is there, left hand side, you can return that left hand side. Therefore by observation this one, that is drawn that left hand side. What is that region? This is the region will be there, but it's equal to sign not there. X belongs to, beginning is minus infinity, is equal to 5. Infinity always open bracket. What about at 5? Open or closed? Open, because equal to sign not there. Very good. Here equal to symbol not there, that's why I can use like this one. One more, x is there less than or equal to minus 2. X less than or equal to minus 2 will be there. Observe, x less than or equal to minus 2, indicated number line. Here is there minus infinity plus infinity. What is that value? Minus 2. It's what is the given? Less than. Less than mean left hand side. Here left hand side I can draw on. That is, observe this one. Left hand side mean what is the region? This is the region will be there. Therefore x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2. Yet minus infinity open or closed? Yet very good. One side open, another side is called a square bracket. Any doubt? Any doubt is there? Okay, note down this all. This is the simple graphs are there. How to able to find out interval. This is the method will be there. First copied this one, next level I can explain.
This method is called a wavy curve method. This method is called a wavy curve. So many chapters can be using that wavy curve method. When explain that another chapters, don't feel that I don't know this model. If you learn presently in that chapter, quickly find out solution.
Sir, this method is called
Wavy curve. I written here. Wavy curve method. This is simple one, that's why is there. Curve either left hand side or right hand side. Can be drawn that like a right hand side or like a left hand side I written. But some more values will be there. You can draw that up and downs will be there. I can explain to the next one. First copy this one.
completed, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here you know that is their simple equation will be there, not a quadratic, just a simple equation. How to find out that interval will be there, either where you can use open bracket, where you can use closure bracket, already explained. For example, quadratic equation will be there. Suppose in quadratic x square minus 5x plus 6, it's greater than 0 will be there. It's greater than 0. How to find out factors of that quadratic? What are factors of that quadratic? Anyone? 2 and 3. Roots are 2 and 3. How to written this one? X minus 2 into x minus 3. It's greater than 0. Suppose you leave that greater than 0. Only this is the roots. What is the roots of this equation? What is the 2 and 3? Indicated on number line. Therefore, listen. Here is equal to number line will be there. What are that in number line? Minus infinity to plus infinity. Therefore, that is there. Here minus infinity to plus infinity. Indication what are roots? Increasing order. 2 and 3. What is the least value out of 2 values?
2.
2. Therefore, I can indication this is the 2. This is equal to 3 will be there. There are in graph 3 types of partitions will be there. What are the 3 types of partitions? By observation this one. What are the 3 types of partition? Here is equal to like this one, here like this one. Minus infinity to 2, one partition, 2 to 3, another partition, 3 to infinity, that is called a third partition. In between 3 to infinity, in between, not exact that values, in between 3 to infinity, you can consider one small number, any one number. 3 to infinity between one real number you can consider. Suppose 4 I can take. What is the 4 minus 2?
2.
2. Therefore, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. What is the 4 minus 3?
1.
1. Therefore, 2 into here. 2 into 1. What is the 2 into 1? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Again, 3 to infinity between. Before 4 I can substitution. Suppose 7 I can substitution. What is the 7 minus 2?
5.
5. 7 minus 3.
4.
4 into 5. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Therefore, anyway, in between any real number you can take. In between any real number you can take. Any real number 3 to infinity. This total quadratic is the positive. That's why I can written positive symbol. Why written that positive symbol? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
3 to infinity between any real number, not put 3 here, 3 to infinity in between any real number substitution, you can get this product is positive. Between 2 and 3 between any real number you can take. What real number you can take? Anyone as you wish. 2 to 3 in between, one real number. 2.1? 2.1 minus 2, what is that value? 2.1 minus 2. 2.1 minus 2 is called a 0.1 into 2.1 minus 3. If again I can explain that one, listen. Here x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0, that is x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0, that is their number line. Here minus infinity to plus infinity. Observe, what are the roots? Already explained, that is there. Here 2, here 3. There are 3 partitions will be there. What are the 3 partitions? Here 1, here another one. Therefore, observe, 3 to infinity, 2 to 3 minus infinity to 2 will be there. Already explained, 3 to infinity you can get positive. Next one, 2 to 3 in between, one real number, x is equal to 2.1 I can take. What is the 2.1 minus 2? Anyone?
0.1.
0.1.
0.1. 0.1. What is the 2.1 minus 3?
0.9.
Minus 0.9. Minus 0.9. Positive into negative. What is that value?
Negative, sir.
Negative.
Negative, sir.
Therefore, 2.1 substitution. This total product is negative. Suppose 2.5 I can substitution. 2.5 substitution. What is the 2.5 minus 2? Positive or negative?
0.5.
0.5.
Okay, 0.5. What is the 2.5 minus 3?
Minus
Minus
0.5.
0.5, sir.
Here listen, that is there, x is equal to, what is the taken as 2.5. What is the 2.5 minus 2? That is called 0.5. Another
Into
minus
minus
0.5. Positive
Second
into
minus.
negative is equal to
Minus.
negative.
Negative, sir.
Therefore, that is equal to, its a negative will be there. Again, minus infinity to 2 between, minus infinity to 2 between, some real numbers you can take. 1 will be there. What is the 1 minus 2 value?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
X is equal to that value minus 1. What is the 1 minus 3 value?
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. What is the minus 1 into
Minus into
minus 2
minus.
is there? Negative
2.
into negative is
Positive.
Positive.
positive. That's why here is
Positive.
equal to positive.
Therefore, this is can be written that by observation this one, that is can be written first positive, next negative, next positive. Therefore, graph is like this one. Graph is like this one. Negative mean below, positive mean above. Therefore, I can written that like this one will be there. But in this one, what is the given? Greater than given or less than given?
Greater than.
Greater than means indication positive. Greater than mean indication positive. Where that positive will be there? Minus infinity to 2 will be there and 3 to infinity. Infinity always can be written that open bracket. Infinity always can be written open bracket. But here equal to sign is there or not there?
Not this.
Not there. That's
Not
why open
So-
bracket, open bracket. Therefore, like 2 or more intervals will be there, you can return that union. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinity to 2 union 3 to infinity. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Note down, note down.
Sir, one doubt.
Ask.
So, what is that you wrote x equals to 2.1 something, x equals to 1?
Generally, in between there are 3 partitions are there. Minus infinity to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to infinity. Out of 3 partitions, each partition, that function, what is that function is there? X square minus 5x plus 6, whether positive or negative. Whether positive or negative, how to find? Therefore, you can use that in between any partition between so many real numbers are there. You can take any one real number. You can take any one real number. At that real number, what is the sign? That is called a function sign. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
That's why I can substitute like this one. Copy it quickly. I can explain one more. Just how to is substitution, what are values. Here 3 to infinity, all values are positive or not?
Positive.
Positive.
Numbers is the positive. That is their positive. It's not correct. That sign means that positive sign represented this function sign in between 3 to infinity. Okay? It's not a number sign. It's a function sign. Function whether positive or not, that is the signs.
Sir, if x is equals to 2.5 and when we do 0.5 into minus 0.5, we'll get minus 0.25 now, sir.
Yes, that's why I written that minus. That's why I written here minus.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And one more question. That is, write down x square plus 7x plus 12 less than or equal to 0. X square plus 7x plus 12 less than or equal to 0. First to find out what is the roots of equation.
4, 3.
4,
3, 4, sir.
3, 4 roots. Here what is the factors of this equation? I am
Minus
asking
4,
that
minus
factor. Minus 4 minus 3 roots.
Minus 4, minus
That
3.
is x plus 4 into x plus 3
It's less than or equal to 0. X plus 4 into X plus 3.
Sir, can I say answer?
Wait. X plus 4 into X plus 3 less than or equal to 0. Number line. In that number line, what is getting? Minus infinity to plus infinity. What are the roots are there? One is called minus 4, another one is called minus 3. Which is the less number? Minus 4 or minus 3?
Minus 3.
Minus 4, sir. Minus 4.
Minus 4 is the less
Minus 4,
number.
sir.
Here minus 4, here is called minus 3.
Sir,
Ask.
I got answer, sir. Can I say answer? I got answer.
If answer is minus 4 to minus 3, close the bracket.
Yes, sir. X belongs to closure minus 4, minus 3.
Very good, very good. Here listen, there are 3 partitions will be there. Here one, here another one. Minus 3 to infinity, same method. In between, any x value you can take. Minus 3 to infinity, between minus 2 will be there. What is the minus 2 plus 4 value?
Minus 2 plus 4, 2.
2. Therefore, that is equal to 2 into minus 4 plus 3. Sorry, minus 2 plus 3.
Minus 2 plus 3.
1.
Yes, answer.
1. What is that? 2
Positive,
into
sir.
1, positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. That's
Positive.
why I written positive before. Minus 4 to minus 3 in between. Minus 3.5.
Minus-
What is the minus x is equal to minus 3.5?
Sir, change color, it is not visible.
I can change that color. X is equal to minus 3.5. Substitution. What is the minus 3.5 plus 4?
Minus 0.5, 0.5.
0.5, sir. 0.5.
Very good. 0.5 into minus 3.5
Minus
plus
0.5.
3.
Minus
Minus
0.5.
0.5.
Minus
You
0.25.
Negative, sir.
That's a negative.
Negative.
That's why I written that negative. After here
Minus
minus
6.
infinity to minus 4.
Minus 5.
Minus 6.
Minus
Minus
6 I can take. X is equal to minus 6. What is the minus 6 plus 4?
Minus 2 into
Minus 2.
Minus 2 into minus
Minus
3.
3.
What is the
Positive.
negative into negative is a positive.
plus 6.
Therefore, positive. That implies by observation this one you can get. What is that graph is there? Like this one you can get. But here less than is there or greater than is there?
Less than.
Less than or equal to
Less
0.
than. Less than means negative. Greater than mean positive. Less than mean negative. Function negative where? Minus 4 to minus 3. Therefore, minus 4 to minus 3. X belongs to. Its equal to sign is there or not there?
There, sir.
There, sir.
It's there. Equal to sign is there. You can use closed bracket. Equal to sign is there. You can use closed bracket. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Then every time like values are substitution. Every time values are substitution and find out that sign. That is the long process. That is long process. Here listen. If last one right hand side in this total graph, what is the right hand side interval? Minus 3 to infinity or not?
2. Yes, sir.
Minus 3 to infinity. Minus 3 to infinity. That function sign always interval keep it that positive. Remember that point. Always right hand side last interval should be positive. After alternate signs are you can put it. Understood or not?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
And one example, suppose for example is there in this one, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0. What are roots of that equation?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
2, 3,
3 indicated on number line. Minus infinity plus infinity will be there. Therefore, observe here is equal to 1, here 2, here 3. What is the last interval? What is the 3 to infinity? Therefore, like this one, last interval will be there. Therefore, observe this one. Here is called a positive. Next, negative, positive, negative. That means here is their graph like this one.
Yes, sir. X belongs to 1, 2, union 3, infinity.
Therefore, what is the greater than mean? Positive sign. What is the positive sign where? 1 to 2 and 3 to infinity. Open. But equal to sign not there. Also open. Therefore, 1 to 2 union, 3 to infinity. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This extension level will be there. I can explain to the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Quadratic
sir.
equation, how to find out involving inequalities. Involving inequalities. How to find interval. How to find interval like this one method. You can do that copying. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No doubt.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.